So I think he's handing the company over to John Ternus at the perfect time. He's been a great CEO that's really leaned into his strengths in operations to make his products faster, make the battery last longer, the cameras more powerful, and keep ahead of the competition, especially when it comes to the phone and the computer. But now we are going to a moment where computing may be shifting, where there's a new paradigm, which is artificial intelligence. Apple recognizes it. We're going to hear a lot about it today. The results under Cook over the past couple of years on AI haven't been great, but it does seem like he's getting the company in position to factor in the AI conversation. And if you're going to leave, you probably want to leave at the point where you're at the beginning of the curve rather than somewhere in the middle when the answer is unsettled. So ultimately, they need an important handoff to Ternus, but I don't think the stakes are tremendously high given, again, where the company is today.
Forgive me for stepping on your toes there for a minute, but I think, Dan Ives, it's fair to call this one of the most successful stewardships of an American company in the history of business in this country, what Tim Cook has done here.
I mean, look, he's a Hall of Famer, Mount Rushmore. I mean, when you talk about the CEO, it's not just American, companies, but global. And what Cook's done in China, in terms of the political angle, the supply chain taking over, of course, for jobs and the legend. I mean, look, the reality is we are talking the historic.
Hi, guys. Hope you're doing great. Market has been quite choppy today. I feel now we're kind of recovering right now, kind of moving on the upside. Pretty interesting. Most interesting names. Small caps remain interesting. I just wanted to focus on monitoring certain levels. Like if you look at the QQQ, we're pretty much at breakout level. But again, like if you're trading the market, look at the Nasdaq, for example. For starters, we broke down to levels that we had shared based on the retracement that could have happened, and 28,700. You've got it there. Once we broke the 200 and the 50-day moving average, we started dropping downwards. It became clear that we were gonna reach that point and move from there. Pretty exciting. What are you guys trading? Is anyone trading any stock, any NFT, any crypto, like literally anything? Are you guys watching the market or actually trading it? Are you guys, is my stream working? Are you hearing me or not? I'm not sure. Show up on StreamYard. This is an example. Click on a comment, show on screen. I mean, yeah, I saw a few comments, but I'm not sure if you guys are getting. Oh yeah, you're getting me. Oh, perfect. Okay, gotcha. Okay, cool. But all comments are from YouTube. Swear, there are no comments from X. So I'm not sure if we are getting our comments from X or not. What does tall mean? Huh? Size. Big. Fuck. Okay. What the fuck is this? Okay. Does it change? No. Okay. Nasdaq getting rejected. Yeah. Yeah. All comments are from YouTube. It's crazy. Why are comments not coming from X? Oh, I can show comments on stage. Guys, sorry, I'm still discovering. Interesting. Okay. Oh, now I got it. Okay, so I can do it smaller. Oh, there we go. Ba-bam. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa, beautiful. Okay, so I can stream it. Okay, cool. Oh, I can stream it to the side or more centered or kind of medium. Whoa, that's interesting. Okay, I'm discovering that shit. Okay, it's nice. Okay, so you can show on screen the comments. There we go. I'm gonna keep it like this. Gonna keep it like this. And then you can edit. Interesting. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, anyone watching from X? Is anyone watching from X? Let me know. I'm waiting for my food. It has been a hectic day. But I'm excited to see what Apple have been preparing for the developer conference. I think it's going to be interesting because it's the first time, like literally everyone's expecting that Apple is going to be announcing some kind of big AI move. And to be honest, like I don't think that, like, come on guys, I really don't think that like Tim Cook is going to leave without a big announcement. What do you guys think? It's his last developer conference. So I don't know, do you think that he's gonna just step away without any kind of announcement? Like nothing? He's not gonna say anything when it comes to like AI integration, development, anything? Feels off, to be honest, feels off. I took a position on Apple at 308. On Apple at 308. And so I'm gonna keep it. I exited 30% of my SLNH position at 139 earlier in the session, and now we're back up to 142. So I'm wondering if I should just go back in and just leave that position because it's a small position anyway. But yeah, it's at 140 right now. It's pretty stagnant. Today's boring, guys. Today's really boring. Like the market is moving sideways, like not really on a trend. So you're not being able to trade anything. It's gonna be the biggest one more thing. I'm live on X, yeah, but it does it not show on X? Does it not show that I'm live on X? Come on, seriously? Oh, it doesn't, probably. How does it not show that I'm live on X? Am I not? Oh, maybe I'm not. That's why we're not getting... Oh, shit. That's why. Oh, I made a huge mistake, guys. Oh, I made a huge mistake. Okay, I think I fixed it. Oh, shit. Yeah, because I actually am streaming from my 2 YouTubes. Oh shit! So I'm streaming from my 2 YouTube accounts. Okay, now it's working. I think I shifted it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's working right now. I think that's why. That's crazy. Oh yeah, now it's working on X. There we go. Okay, we're now live on X. I think people can see me from on X right now. I'm assuming I'm live on X. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, so developer conference is right now. So I'm assuming. What do you guys think? Like, let me know. Do you think they're gonna announce anything on the during the conference or not? Like, do you think they're gonna announce any kind of new AI integration or something, or you think it's not gonna happen? I really don't know, to be honest. Again, like, I took a position on Apple. I have a position on Marvel. I'm gonna keep it. I still have my position in Sivers. I'm betting on this one. I trimmed my SLNH position at 139, but again, like it's at 140 right now. It went when I trimmed it, it went all the way down to 131, actually 129. Should have bought because I would have gained like 10 cents on my trade, literally on the spot. But I didn't. And it's fine. I'm gonna keep. I'm keeping my position in SLNH, but at the same time, I like. If there's any downturn, that stock could go to, I think 0.97, 0.96. Like if there is any correction in the market, that stock could hit $1. Then I'd be able to buy it at a discount. That's what I'm thinking. I still have my position, so I can benefit from the upside, but on the downside level, I don't know how much it would go. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. I don't know what to say, to be honest. I mean, I feel it's boring today. I'm actually bored. Like I'm literally bored. What are you guys trading? I mean, you do the talk. I'm not gonna talk. I mean, you do the talk. You tell me, what are you guys trading? I really don't feel like just because I don't feel like there's any trade that's holding. No answer. No one wants to actually share what they're trading. Are you trading anything? Are you buying anything, selling anything? Like literally anything, guys. Anything. I took a position. I took Apple. I took Marvel. Now you are on the right one. Yeah, I am. Okay, you're on Euro. Oh, you're trading Forex. Okay, cool. And Dow. Okay, cool. Love it. So Amazon, read this. Amazon is set to raise $14 billion. Okay, Amazon is set to raise $14 billion in debt from the investment grade bond market in Canadian dollars, the largest such offering on record. Why the fuck is Amazon raising $14 billion in Canadian dollars in debt? I mean, aren't they generating billions and billions of dollars? Why are they still raising debt? If you're gonna tell me it's capex, come on, guys. I mean, it's a joke. It's a joke. You know what I think? I think all of this. You know what? I really think that all of this is a scam. I'm not gonna lie. I really feel it's a scam. I mean, even AI. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I do believe in AI. I'm a heavy believer in what AI can do to the world. But I think the money that's being spent on capital expenditures, on capex, on actual infrastructure to build AI, probably a scam. Probably a scam. How the fuck are they gonna get back the money? Like, they're literally spending hundreds of billions of dollars trying to build that infrastructure, and then literally no return, no ROI in sight. I mean, come on, what's AI gonna do for Meta, who spent over what, $120 billion? $120 billion. Hang on, I'm trying to do something. So what are you guys trading? Do you have questions for me? Let me know if you guys have questions for me. Come on, bro. 157332. Okay, so what's that? Just hang on a second, guys. Sorry, where's my phone? Yeah, sorry guys. Do you have questions? What are your thoughts on the SpaceX IPO this Friday? I think it's gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's gonna be crazy. How did this work? I really have no idea. Guys, something happened. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you something. Does someone know anyone in X support? Do you guys know anyone in X support? Thank you for asking the question, though. Can you please tell us more about Marvel? I think it's going much higher. It has huge fundamentals. Does anyone just like does anyone Okay. 827646. 827646. Yeah, guys, sorry. Listen, I'm solving something. One scalping position today, and it's crazy. It's crazy. It's extremely boring. My CPSH call option from 2 weeks ago is currently at a loss. You're getting much closer to expiry, yeah. Do you think we could see lower numbers this week, so better to keep cash? I mean, I'm keeping cash personally. I don't know. I mean, listen, this is what happened today. So we had an NVIDIA announcement saying that Intel is going to be a supplier for chips. So Intel went up 15%. We've got basically halting of tensions in the Middle East that was supposed to pump the market. We have announcements from Nvidia on deals with South Korean companies. That's number two. Number three, we've got Trump saying we had the best employment report ever. That was supposed to pump the market. We had a lot of positive. You know what's killing me? It's like we had a lot of positive news that did not really materialize as much as it should, and this is what's worrying me. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to go down. I think the market's going to keep pumping until we reach the IPO on Friday. But that said, I mean, I was expecting a bigger move at the open. I took several positions. I didn't want to sell my SLNH position. I trimmed 30% just because I felt on Friday I was overexposed, and I had actually done some profit because I took my trade at 134, and then I scalped it at the 126, 127 level. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's look at the Nasdaq. There we go. We want to see it. So we want to see it at this level. See, we want to cross the 50. If we don't cross this level, I'm not positive. I'm not bullish. We need to cross this level. I'm not sure if I'm zoomed in here. Yeah, I'm zoomed in because you can see it. Yeah, we got to cross this level, guys. Right? It's the 50-day moving. If we don't, and we already have 3 red candles, and we're dealing on the 1 hour time frame. Let's actually go to smaller time frames, and let's look at the 5-minute time frame for a second. See what we're seeing at the 5-minute time frame. Now that's not very accurate, but it gives you some kind of level. You want to see this remain on the upper side. If we go down and break this level, right? If we go down and break this level, we're at 29,257. We're gonna go right back down and visit lower levels. Expect a downtrend going here. Where is the horizontal line? Not the extended one. Yeah, the horizontal one. Expect a level here, and then you have to expect a level here, basically. Yeah, and then you gotta expect a level here. So if we cross this, then you're all the way down to 28.9 and then 28.7, which is the lowest level. But again, if we don't, then we come back up, and we literally can go all the way up above 30. but there needs to be something. I mean, with all the news, I really expected we're gonna go back to the 30 level bar. Like we were gonna visit, like we were gonna touch like 30,000 territory. I don't know. What do you guys think? Gold has recovered. That's what we expected. Again. I need to finish something. I'm having an issue with X on a corporate account. Not sure if anyone has any access to X support. We're having an issue with that. But again, like we'll see how it goes. Guys, I'm gonna have to go. I'm solving a small issue. I'm not sure how to talk to support. ID verification, help center. Okay, anyway, love you guys. Talk to you soon. Yeah, affected the market. Quanter, guys, make sure to follow Quanter. Sharing amazing content recently. Amazing content. Yeah, Micron is doing 948. That's pretty interesting. Micron is doing 948. CPI and PPI due this week. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, CPI and PPI are going to give us a really interesting look at inflation. I think they're going to be rigged. I'm not going to lie. I think they're going to be rigged. I really think they're going to be rigged. But again, I mean, if they can, I mean, it's going to, I mean, if they can rig it, they're going to. But again, we'll see. Oh, hello, Che. Yeah, CPI and PPI due this week. Let's see how it goes. Again, if you look here, we really need to move past this. We're getting a momentum here. We're getting a small momentum here. I want to see numbers above the 50-day on the 5-minute. I want to see numbers here. I don't want to see a crash. I don't want to see a downturn. 490. Come on, let's break past 500. Come on, baby. Let's break past 500 and we're good. Oh, we're okay. We're gaining momentum. No. Do not drop. Fuck you. Shit. Yeah. Still shaky. See, it's been like this all day, literally. It's been all day, literally. Waiting for a catalyst. Yeah, that's true. Waiting for a catalyst. Yeah, what's your level? I'm gonna highlight your message. So yeah. Oh, we crossed it. Okay, we're gaining momentum, guys, which is good. Good. Let's see what stocks are doing. So Bitcoin is good. We want to see it above 65. Mega caps are good. Apple is holding above 310, which is good. She's good. Why is Amazon raising from Canada? I just really don't understand. Why would they be raising from Canada? Hood is holding strong. Are you buying the dip? That's a cool question. Are we buying the dip? See, SLNH is still breaking. RR is, I mean, I expected RR to move upwards. Okay. Okay. ASTI is up, probably bought by a few whales buying the market right now. Like it is, like as long as Saidu is going down, I'm not going into these stocks because at any point they could drop. Like literally at any point, those moves could just dump in a second, like literally in a second. That's why I did not share it with you today, because I felt the volume was too low for this, like literally too low. It was really too low. Yeah. That pump is like it's like a few bettors just betting on the market right now, because like look, these stocks move in sync. Once they don't, you know there's something wrong. If those are not moving in sync, because the volume is too small to push these stocks fundamentally, right? And something I wanna really explain, guys. I want to explain to you something. RR is long term. Yeah, for me, it's a long term hold. RR is a long term hold indeed. Now, let me tell you something. Let me explain to you something. The problem with small caps is that, I mean, which is what's happening with big caps as well right now, large caps, is you keep buying the stock and it could perform amazingly. What's that? What does that mean? Why did Revolut stop commodities to and crypto exchanges? Huh? Anyway, you got it. Who wants an invite to Revolut? Yeah, quantum stocks, I mean, pumped. Pumped is an overstatement. I mean, I don't know if they pumped. They did go up, but did they pump? I'm not sure, bro. I mean, they're still down compared to last week. Oh yeah, they did move. They did move though. I'm bored today. Honestly, I'm bored. I'm not gonna lie, I feel bored. I feel like, okay, yeah. Like everything is mids. You know, it's moving like sideways, like everything. I mean, why don't we have like this amazing pump in crypto or amazing pump in a certain theme? Nada. Quantum pump. To have fun. I'm gonna highlight your your comment. I want an invite. Wow, can I send you an invite to Revolut? We both get paid. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna WhatsApp you the invite. Invite friends, get paid. Earn up to 200 euros for each referral until June 23. So if I win 200, I'll split it with you. So we do 100 each. So you have to sign up with the link. You have to add money to your account. You have to make 3 purchases of 5 euros minimum and order a physical card, which is free. And we get between 10 and 200. So the deal is I split that referral with you. Cool? I'll split that referral. I'll send you. So I know Che on WhatsApp. I'll send you the on WhatsApp. Hang on. There you go. Your rider is nearby. My food is nearly here, so I'm gonna have to drop. There we go. And you're in France, so you could do it. No, it's not in the UAE. Send it. And cool part is Che is in France. Whoa, you got me excited. Actually, I got excited on this more than my trades. So funny. I love referring people to Revolut. I swear to God, I love referring people to Revolut. I just love Revolut so much to the point that I really enjoy, I have fun referring people to Revolut. No. Revolut is in France, bro. It's not in the UAE. So my account is French. It's not a UAE account. Yeah, we are sure. That's for sure. We are definitely sure to win over, like, at the minimum 10 euros that we're gonna be splitting. I think we're gonna win more. We're gonna get like 50, probably 50. Wait, so guys, let's bet. So I'm sharing my referral link to Revolut with Che, and if he signs up, he funds his account. Then what happens is we get between 10 and 200 euros. Okay, how much do you think we're gonna get? 10, 20, so it's in increments. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, up until 200. So how much do you think we're gonna get? Like, if you wanna, like, just think about how much we, like, try to guess. Throw a number. I bet less than 50, around 30. No, you gotta give an exact number. 120. Let's go, Che manifesting. So he says 120. I'm gonna highlight that 120. I love highlighting comments. It's beautiful. Come on, YouTube is really nice. And X. So how much do you think? Guys, you can all reply. There's 121 people watching. So 20 euros. 40. Okay, so what's gonna happen is the person who guesses, I'm gonna give them my part. So we're splitting, Shay and I are splitting the referral code. Okay? So the referral reward. So let's say we get 200, we're splitting it 100 each. So my part, I'm gonna give it away to the person who actually guesses the number right now. That's fun. And mine also. No, yours is yours, because yours we're gonna use it for something else. So what we're gonna use it for, yours, we're gonna use it on stake. And we're gonna put it on a list that does like 2000x. And then we're gonna split that list together. So from the referral, we have the potential of actually maybe doing like maybe doing like $100,000. No, you cannot say 300, bro. It's like between 10 and 200. And it has to be in increments. So it cannot be 145. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is, if anyone guesses, I'm gonna give you my part, and then we're gonna use Chase part to put it on a list of games on stake. And if no one guesses, then we're gonna put all the money on two lists. And we're gonna see how it goes. If we win, we win, and we make shit ton of money, and we go to Vegas with it. Oh, and the money that we're gonna actually make, if we, let's say if we win the bets, we're gonna go to Vegas with the money. And then we're gonna try to make it even like 10 times more. And then once this is over, if we're over 1 million, then we stop. If we're under 1 million, then we keep playing it until we reach like any 7-digit number. Could be 1 million, 1,200,000, like literally any number. So we're gonna keep playing the game, and it's gonna start with the Revolut reward. If it's 10 euros, it's gonna be difficult, but we're gonna play lists, so we'll see. It could work. Come on, guys. Come on. Get a move. You gotta move, bro. Market's gotta move, guys. Okay. We are crossing, but come on, we're just at the border of the 50-day moving. See how the market is fucking boring, guys? We need one green candle on the 1 hour. One, bro. One, just one. Just give me one. Let's take a look at stocks. How many of you own NFTs? Do you guys own any NFTs? Yeah, it's stable. This one's stable. It's 138. Anyway, I'm not gonna do anything with this. See where we are on. So we did not break that level. It's crazy how accurate those levels are. We did not break that level, but we could come back and retest it here. That's what I'm worried about, because we're on a downtrend. If we want to break that downtrend, like if we want to break that downtrend, we gotta retest that level and then go up. See? So if I wanna bet on SLNH, I would basically, what I would do is go where is this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. I would go here. So that's where I wanna see SLNH, and then we could revisit the $2 level. I would go back straight to $2, but we need a retest here. Guys, who owns NFTs in Las Vegas? Yeah, we'd definitely go all in. Definitely. No one? You guys are literally 127 people on this stream. No one owns NFTs? Come on, bro. Seriously? Why are you not gamblers? Why are you not gamblers, guys? How come? We are broke to have NFTs, bro. I own beans and Achilles. I love you, Eli. Bro, I just love Eli, to be honest. I own beans and Achilles. Bro, the guy, like, you could literally have mentioned Achilles, Che. It's like for literally, it goes for like $2. $2, bro. Like $2, $4, fucking $5. Which stock, in your opinion, has the highest potential? That's a very tough. That's a very difficult question right now. Like, the highest potential. Like, if I wanted to choose just one that has the highest potential, where I'm like, in which I'm really confident we could make money on like fundamentally. Difficult question. I'm not gonna lie, difficult question. The highest potential, because you're not asking for a fundamental move upwards only. You're asking for the highest potential. I like the apes. The apes like you. Achilles, off topic. Do you believe in a master's degree? Fuck master's degree, bro. Bro, fuck master's degree. Come on. Go build something. Do fuck master's degree, bro. It's a ripoff. Sorry, it's a ripoff. If it helps you get into some kind of like, for example, if you actually do a master's in the US to become a lawyer, yes, because it unlocks an access to an association of lawyers where you kind of are protected. But other than that, like the master's to just improve your skills or to apply to a job, come on, bro. So no one's hiring for masters. I mean, right now, probably Zivra. Zivra has the highest potential, which is weird. Like, Zivra, I think, could double in price. I do believe Zivra could double in price. ZVRA. I really think it could perform. Bumble could perform if they put their shit together. They're doing amazing on the numbers side. Although they've been dropping, I don't think they're going to continue dropping because they have so many features and they could still compete, and they have a huge database. It's very hard to build up a database right now. Even if you have AI and you can scrap like the websites and stuff, it's not easy. It's not easy. But yeah, again, I don't know, bro. Eli, I'd love to have this. Yeah, of course, bro. I think she should start her business again. She has an amazing business. That's what you need to focus on. That's really what you need to focus on. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel comfortable in the market right now. I think you should. That's the best thing you could do. That's the best thing you could do because she has an amazing business. His wife has an amazing business. I met Eli in Dubai. We had dinner. We had a small misunderstanding after that, but I mean that's what family is all about. Sometimes you have misunderstandings and then you kind of settle them, and then you feel that you're like, I mean, you know, the cool part is we've built a community that's based on honesty and transparency and sometimes reactions, but like it's fine. It happens in all groups. But the cool part is, you know, that we're all building this together and it's beautiful. I love you more. I love you more. Seriously. I appreciate you. I love you more. I love your knowledge. I love your curiosity. I love the way you interact. It's not easy. It's not easy, really, to have someone interact like that. Just a second. Oh, you went and and the numbers kept increasing. Cool. Anyway. Oh shit. iOS 27 will support iPhone 11 and newer. So iPhone 10 is no longer included? What the fuck? The fuck, bro? Guys, sorry, I have to go. Food is here. My food is here. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Today was meh, not really interesting. It seems investors are not convinced. Yeah, I don't know. I might exit my position at a loss. I don't care. Or keep it. I mean, it's not a big position. Yeah, it's 309, yeah. Should I close it? I think I'm gonna close it. You're right. I think I'm gonna close it. Fuck yeah, I'm gonna close the position. What do you think? What do you think? Should we close the position? Yeah, let's close the position, guys. I'm gonna close it. I don't feel like keeping the position. Just gonna close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. Closing the position, baby. Where is it? No, closed it. Closed, filled. Let's share it. Let's share it. I'm gonna share it with you guys because I'm gonna share it here. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Cool. But at 275, yeah, I exited last week on Thursday my position in Apple. I exited, and now today I went back in, and now I exited. I made 40 cents on the trade. I was up $6 on it, but then I made it's fine. I was up 40 cents. So it's fine. Okay, guys, love you. Talk to you later. Ciao, ciao.